In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best real guitar apps for Android. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, these apps offer fantastic features to enhance your guitar playing experience. Let's dive in. Bass Guitar Tutor. Bass Guitar Tutor is an excellent app designed for those who want to learn to play the bass guitar. The app offers a variety of lessons, covering everything from basic techniques to more advanced skills. Users can explore chords, scales, and tab notation while following along with guided lessons and exercises. The interactive features, such as play-along tracks and video tutorials, make learning engaging and enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, Bass Guitar Tutor provides valuable resources to help you on your musical journey. Real Guitar App. Real Guitar App is a versatile guitar simulator that lets users play the guitar on their Android devices. The app features a realistic interface that mimics the look and feel of a real guitar, complete with acoustic and electric sounds. Users can strum and pick using their fingers on the screen, and the app provides a variety of chords, scales, and songs to play along with. Whether you're practicing your skills or just having fun, Real Guitar App offers an enjoyable experience for guitar enthusiasts of all levels. Guitar Tuna. Guitar Tuna is not just an app for tuning your guitar, it also offers a range of features that make it a must-have for guitar players. The app includes a built-in tuner that is highly accurate and easy to use, ensuring your guitar is always perfectly tuned. In addition, Guitar Tuna provides chord libraries, learning games, and practice exercises, making it an excellent tool for both beginners and advanced players. The intuitive interface and engaging features help users improve their skills and make practicing more enjoyable. Thank you for watching our video on the best real guitar apps for Android. We hope you found the perfect app to support your musical journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.